Today, we will be replacing the high beam headlights on this 2004 GMC Yukon with all new LED lights from ALA Lighting. The low beam headlights are located here, and we can access them from under the hood. First, we need to remove the assembly. We can do that by loosening these two posts and lifting them straight up. Standing on the side of the vehicle, pull the assembly towards you to remove the left side. The right side will come out easily. Unlock the bulb by turning it counterclockwise. Unplug it by lifting this tab and pulling it straight out. We will be replacing it with this LED bulb from ALA Lighting. Plug in the new LED bulb. For easy installation, line up this top tab on the bulb with this notch in the housing. Turn the bulb clockwise to lock. The bulb should be installed vertically with LED chips facing left and right to get the best beam pattern and optimum performance. With this shallow housing, the bulb's short fan design helps it fit easily. This bulb can be adjusted for the proper placement with this included Allen key. Turn counterclockwise to loosen, and adjust the bulb until it's in the proper position. The connector also matches the connector of the halogen bulb for simple plug-and-play installation. Now we can replace the assembly by pushing in the right side first. Stand on the side of the vehicle and pull the left side of the assembly towards you to help it fit. Replace the two posts to lock in the assembly. Now we will do the same thing on the other side of the vehicle. Take out the assembly, remove the halogen bulb, and plug in the new LED bulb, turning clockwise to lock. Another way to tell if the bulb is installed properly is if the pigtail of wire in the back is hanging horizontally. Here's the 2004 GMC Yukon with all new LED lights from ALA Lighting. You can see the difference in brightness and color temperature compared to the halogen bulb.
Safer, smarter, brighter, better. We are ALA Lighting.